Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a PR unboxing. I received so many PR packages from different brands, makeup, skincare, and I just ask you if you want to see makeup like PR unboxing, or if you want to see like February favorite, and you say you want to see PR unboxing. And yeah, today's video is going to be PR unboxing video. I see so many like people are doing like PR unboxing on YouTube, and so many people like them. So many people say I don't like these types of video, and I personally enjoy watching videos like this. I don't know why, but I find them like very satisfying. And yes, let's get started. By the way guys, I'm using natural lighting, and every time when I'm using natural lighting I feel so much better. These soft boxes I'm using are very strong, and they make me like little bit like I don't know how to explain, but I feel more comfortable when I'm using natural lighting, and I feel like I'm being myself when I'm using natural lighting. And yes. Okay, let's start with makeup. Okay, I received PR package from Number 7. Number 7 is a makeup skincare brand you can find at a drugstore. The quality of their products are pretty good, especially the foundations. I still didn't try any skincare products from them, so I don't know how they work. But I received this liquid lipstick. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Grace. It retails something like $40, and let me swatch it for you. You can see how beautiful is this color. It's like mauvey nude purple shade, which is very pretty. But actually I don't know how long wearing these are. I'll be do like makeup tutorials, and then I can say my opinion how comfortable they are. Or the next product is again from the brand Number 7. This is their lip gloss in the shade Naturally Nude. Actually I used this lip gloss a few times already, and this is amazing. This is like high shine lip gloss. This is their Number 7 high shine lip gloss, and this is amazing. It's very long wearing, it feels comfortable, it's not sticky, it's really giving you like beautiful high shine without being greasy or sticky. You know what I mean? Sometimes sometimes lip glosses can be very uncomfortable, but this one is very comfortable. And you can wear it like itself, because it gives you very natural, beautiful nude color. And I was wearing this on top of other liquid lipsticks, and it looks amazing. I like it. Okay, let me show you the swatch of this lip gloss. You can see. Okay, the next product is from Pixi. It's a skincare product. When you're opening the box, it says a very special gift just for you. You can see. Look how beautiful the packaging looks. And really, like, Pixi packaging is always like very cute. Okay, let's open this package. This is how it looks. This is their glow tonic, which is like very like popular, and everyone was saying this is amazing, and I'm agree with them. You can see my name is on it, and it's making me feel really like special. Thank you so much for this cute package, Pixi, and I'm so thankful to all the companies sending me PR packages. And yeah, this is just amazing. I can't wait to use this product, and I just love this. Okay, next I've got few products from Prestige Cosmetics. I received this eyeliner, this jumbo eyeshadow. You can see. Also I received this Total Wear lip crayon and a single eyeshadow. It looks very pretty. Guys, I'm not going to swatch all the products because it will take so long, and I don't want this video to be like very long, because yes. Okay, next we have a PR package from Urban Decay, and it's their concealer. You can see Actually, I wanted this shade because I wanted to contour with this shade, and this is why I picked this shade when they were sending me the product. And yeah, because I already have so many concealers for my under eyes, for highlighting, and I wanted to pick something I can contour with, and this is why I picked this shade. Okay, the next product is again from Urban Decay, and this is their white lipstick in the shade Firebird. You can see. I already posted the makeup look and I created makeup look and used this lipstick. It looks amazing. If you want to see the makeup look I created, check my Instagram. I really like this lipstick. It's very creamy and very comfortable. I just love this lipstick. The formula is very creamy, but this is very pigmented, and the shade is very cute. Next, I received box from OP. I received 2 nail polishes from them, and I picked these 2 shades. You can see. Actually, I was able to pick what shade I want, and so yeah, I picked these 2 shades. They both are nude shades, and I really enjoy shades like this. I don't wear nail polishes right now. I will give these 2 nail polishes to my mom, and yeah. One of the shades is Feeling Frisco, and the next is Coconut over OP. And this is how they look. They're so cute. Thank you. Okay, next I have 2 skincare products from Pixi. This is their Rose Face Essence Serum. It looks like this. It's very cute. I tried this already. It smells amazing, guys. Like, it feels very lightweight and very refreshing. It's very like for everyday, especially for the summer, and everything which smells like roses is my like favorite thing. And I really like this product. Also, I have their Rose Flush Balm. This is like primer, moisturizer and face mask in the same time. This is a very unique product, but this is my favorite. And this is how they look like. Okay, the next product is this BB cream from the brand Erborin. They have only 3 shades from this BB cream, and yes, let's see how it looks like. The packaging is pretty big, like you get like a lot of product. This is how it looks like. You can use it as a primer or as a BB cream by itself, and I will try this product and I will let you know if it's good or not. I see so many people are liking this product, and I think I will like it as well. And I already like the packaging, and yeah, thank you. Okay, the next product is from Estee Lauder. I received their Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder bronzer. Let's see. By the way, I received the shade medium deep, and let's see how it looks like. It's pretty big, you can see, and this is the bronzer. You can see I really like it. Also, I received these liquid lipsticks from Pixi, and they are the most amazing liquid lipsticks ever. The quality is very good, like they're amazing. I received 5 different shades. My favorite shade is matte beige. My first experience when I used liquid lipstick was when I was trying the Milani liquid lipstick. It was like $9, but it was extremely dry. It comes off very quickly after 15 minutes. It's very dry, very uncomfortable. It was the first time I was trying liquid lipstick, and I was a little bit scared. Maybe all the liquid lipsticks are like this, very dry, uncomfortable, and they come off very quickly. But no, actually these liquid lipsticks are amazing. They are very comfortable, very pigmented, very long wearing. They smell amazing, they look amazing, the formula is amazing. The price is like $14. Yeah, Pixi is not the most like affordable drugstore brand, but it's worth it, guys, because they feel amazing, and the color, like the colors are just perfect. They can make everyone to look very beautiful. And I created so many makeup looks. You can check my Instagram and you can see them. They look amazing. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. Yes guys, this is everything for today's video. If you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments and I'll be doing more, because I'm waiting for so much free makeup, PR packages. And yeah, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what types of video you want to see. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, see you next time. Bye. This is the shade. And everything which smells like, because she's wearing nail polish, and yeah, and it's real, and it makes me feel like real, and it's makes me feel. I hope you can see. Guys, I'm not the best when it comes to swatching products, you know, like